Make sure you focus on not allowing your knees to cave in or bow out. Starting position. Feet hip width apart, toes pointed straight ahead. Hand on your hip. From this position, you're going to lower yourself down into a squat, maintaining good posture. As you come up, pull the cable back, squeezing your shoulder blade back, squeezing your glutes before releasing and lowering yourself back down into squat position. We'll perform this exercise for 15 reps. Let's go. Squat, row. Make sure you squeeze your glutes at the top. Make sure you focus on not allowing your knees to cave in or bow out. Excellent. Squeeze the shoulder blade back. Make sure you maintain a nice controlled pace, focusing on form, keeping your abs tight. Great job. Squeeze back. Squeeze those glutes, squeeze the shoulder blade back at the top. Excellent. Make sure your feet stay pointed straight ahead. Squeeze back. 4 more to go. Squeeze. Squeeze. Sit into it. Come out and squeeze back, squeezing the glutes, keep the core tight. Last one right here. Let's finish strong. Great. Now we're gonna switch arms, get into position, right arm on your hip. We're gonna lower ourselves back down into a squat. Come up and squeeze the shoulder blade back. Excellent. Focus. Squeeze the shoulder blade back, squeeze your glutes at the top. Take your time. Focus on your form. Excellent. Squeeze, keep that core tight. I'm with you, come on. Almost there. Squeeze back. Squeeze back, squeeze those glutes, come on. We have 5 more remaining, great job. There we go, 5. Finish strong. 4, 3, 2, and last one. Great job.